There's only 3 steps. 1. It must be unsalted butter. You can add any herbs you like to flavor the butter. Today I'm adding ginger, garlic, cardamom, rosemary, and thyme. The rosemary and thyme, it'll make it green. If you don't want it to be green, you can just use ginger and garlic or make it plain ghee. 2. Put it on in a very low heat. Why? So that the whey or the milk part of the butter, it can separate, so don't rush the process, give it time. Tip: in the beginning, you can put it on medium for a minute or so just to melt the butter. Once the butter has melted, make sure to put it in the last low heat. When you do this, don't leave it stand and wait for it, otherwise it will evaporate. 3. Once you put it in the low heat, give it time, about 45 minutes. Set your timer and go do your thing. Once in a while, check on it. Once you see the butter little crest on the top, turn it off. Let it cool and jar it. Keep it on the top of your counter. It will be okay for 3 or 4 months. I wish you the best of luck. Enjoy.